Hillpoint Montessori was founded in 2011. We are a preschool and an elementary school serving kids from preschool to 6th grade. We are an authentic Montessori school, and we pride ourselves on that, giving students the freedom of choice and movement in the classroom, as well as having mixed age groups.
The older children try to help the younger ones, and then the younger ones are striving to be, more mature, and they have role models to look up to.
Children are free to explore the environment that's thoughtfully prepared by the teachers. They are given the independence of learning at their own pace.
They actually wash their own dishes after they have their snack, so they're learning real life skills as well in Montessori. A lot of people are choosing Montessori over traditional types of school because a lot of our public school systems and traditional schooling methods are not working for a lot of students. And Montessori works for every child.
My daughter Claire was in public school. It was very stressful for Claire, particularly with the Common Core curriculum. And I realized that I had to find something different. This school is a gift that we've given to our children.
My wife did her homework, a lot of research, and found the Montessori program. And once we came here and they saw this campus, our daughters decided this is my school.
In a Montessori environment, learning is fun. The kids at Hillpoint Montessori are excited to come to school.
I love Hillpoint Montessori and all the classes here, especially PE and dance. I just love it. The levels are getting harder and harder each day. I'm pushing myself to get better and better each day.
They're really educating themselves.
We look to teach to the whole child. We want to build them emotionally, socially.
Character development is a huge part of the program here. It's not just learning ABCs and everything, but they're learning how to socialize, how to be good citizens.
We learn their strengths, their weaknesses. We're constantly assessing them. And my goal as a guide is to turn those weaknesses into strengths.
One of the things that we feel is really important is that we want children to love learning.
I've never been to a school where children run to class.
When I pick her up at school, she jumps in the car and she's telling me about things in geography and science and history. And
No matter where your child is at, Montessori will meet your child, no matter where he or she may be.
That's the best feeling, when you know that your child is happy and also learning.
every day I feel so lucky that we were able to find Hillpoint.
I wrote a letter to my teacher. You are so smart, beautiful, kind, caring, and funny. You are the best teacher I have ever had. You have changed my life for the better, and I will never forget you. You have made me excited to go to school. You have taught me things I would have never learned. I have gained so much knowledge from you, and I have gained a new friend from Claire. Aww.